Hi, I'm JJ Bock, Director of Operations for Rubber Inc. Welcome to a special episode of In Stock with Bock. Today we're here in Akron, Ohio with our partners over at Ken-Tool. Let's see what's in store for us today. Doug, thanks for having us. Before we go on a tour, can you first tell us a little more about Ken-Tool and what we're going to see today? Ken-Tool's 105 years old. We've been forging in this facility probably 60 years. We're going to see how a T45 was made and kind of go through the whole process. The T45 is our #1 tool. Everything we make here is made from domestic USA made steel, and it's USA product. So it's all American made items here in the plant. Fantastic, let's get started. Well, you'll see here, you're gonna see the start of the process of the T45. There's two different machines that are used here. One's an upsetter, the other's a press. So he's gonna put the knob, the form out of the metal on the first hit. And then he'll go through and then heat it up and then do the rest of the process, which we'll see in a few minutes. So this is another machine that does similar bars. Of course, this is all gas, and then it's another upsetter. Basically, we're upsetting this end right now, so it does different things, okay? You can see here better. So he's just putting this hook on the end. That's for the T48. All right, what's next, Doug? As you can see here, this is where all our raw materials come in. They're offloaded here, and then we cut them to length for our billets. And all your testing's done out there, right? Sorry? All your testing is done out there. Yeah, we blow up our tires out back here. We're going to do that in a few weeks again. That's awesome. After the bars are formed, they come here to be heat treated. So we heat treat everything in-house to our specifications. And then after they're heat treated, they get blasted clean. So it takes all the scale off and everything else. And it comes out of this machine, which is basically steel shot to blast them clean. So they come out basically as pure clean metal like those look like right now. Ready to be painted, right? Ready to be painted. And then once they leave the hot side, they go to the cold side to be painted. Okay, let's take a walk over there. This is our welding area where we do all the welding for our tire cages and a lot of our specialty tools. Everything's welded here. All our tire cages, we manufacture the inventory on our tire cages. Bend all our tubing here, get all our plates, it's all domestic product. After we weld them, they get painted, labeled, inspected, and ready to ship out. Fantastic. All our hand tools are painted here in-house. So they come like electrostatically coated with paint. So they come through, they get painted, they get labeled, and ready to put in inventory in our warehouse. So everything comes through here and gets inspected and ID'd and labeled. And I have no idea how they put this all back on this pallet. It's like a giant Jenga. And there's an art and a science to it, which I have yet to figure out. So you'll see next in stock with Bock. Yeah, next in stock with. So here's the bars ready to be painted, or 4-ways ready to be painted, and 4-ways are complete. So load it up, goes through, and everything follows the same process here. Awesome. Raw bars, and it works all the way up. As you can see, we're an older facility. We're kind of landlocked with our property. But this is my best part of the tour and my best part of the facility. It's called the Little Cuyahoga. It's our little slice of heaven in the summertime. Oh, this is great. I still have to find somebody to go kayaking through here for us. I'll do it next time. Next time, Brady will start your way up there, and it looks kind of rough. It does look rough, but it looks like a lot of fun. This is gorgeous. This is relaxing. Yes. I work out here. Joe, we need this in Romeoville. Right?
Right?
Hot, dirty, loud. You know, some people can't handle that, but nothing is really that hard.
It's just different.
Yeah.
You gotta get the flow of the machine, and every pedal's different. Yep. That's cool, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. So this has been an absolute blast. Thanks for having us. I know our viewers will appreciate behind the scenes tour of forging Ken-Tool tire irons. Great. Was it cool doing that? That was awesome, man. You guys been doing that all day? That was pretty cool. I don't know if I can do it all day, but that was awesome.